one piece of advice to somebody that's that hasn't started yet, like, you know, anything that you would like to tell them that's going to help them push to make videos tomorrow?
I mean, have fun. Try not to pay attention to the negative comments, because they could suck you into a like twirling, you know, dimension of depression. Like, it is real out there. People, they build up this this false positivity of when they get a like or when they get a view. So I try to tell people, don't feed too much into that. Feed into the love of making your video. Like, you want to make this video, who are you talking to? What are you trying to tell them? What do you want to get out of this? But try to keep it positive. Don't get sucked into sort of the narcissistic, shallow aspect of friends and thumbs up and like, oh, someone gave me a thumbs down and someone said a negative thing. I had to deal with all that. It's actually mentally trying, and a lot of people get pulled into it. It can really, you think you get this great video, you put it up, you know, you spent 12 hours putting this video together, and then the first thing someone comes on and says is just this harsh, negative critique that's just like verbal diarrhea. And it's like, are you going to put your energy there? Are those the people you're going to reply to? Or are you going to reply to the people that are positive and sort of kind of propping you up? So don't pay attention to the negativity.